Hi, this is Tony Cook, and this is What's in the Box. Today I've got a new freight car in HO scale from Otter Valley Railroad. This is their second scrap metal gondola. This again is a National Steel car prototype like their first one was. This is a slightly smaller 6,000 cubic foot version. We'll open it up here and take a look and see what comes in the box. The model is encased in a two-piece clear plastic shell and wrapped in clear film. And it does come with a bag with two spare roller bearings, as the bearings do turn, as you can probably see there on this model. The body itself is injection molded plastic. It does have some die cast metal components to it as well to give it some good weight. 4.9 ounces is what I measured the weight to be. A nice semi-scale looking draft gear box with body mounted metal knuckle couplers. Again, as I mentioned, this is produced by Aurora Miniatures for Otter Valley, and you'll notice the similarities if you have one of their box cars or other freight cars to their coupler and the trucks as well. It's a nice car. It's a contemporary prototype North American railroading. As I mentioned, this is the second car of this style that the company has put out. This green car is their original 6,400 cubic foot, and you can see the height difference just a bit. Again, the new car, the black one here with the AIMX reporting marks, is the 6,000 cubic foot, and this green one back here, a little bit taller, is the 6,400 cubic foot. Coupler height checked out to be good when I checked it against a Katy coupler height gauge. There are many road names available for it. You can go to Otter Valley to find out more. That's ovrtrains.com is the website you're heading to. I'll put a link in the description below. The company also offers custom-made scrap metal trash loads that fit in these cars. These are available from Otter Valley as well, and they are handcrafted by one of the people involved there at Otter Valley. I'm going to open this up, and we'll give it a try here. These are actually put together, and maybe they're baked. I'll have to ask Lauren James at Otter Valley more about them. But there's a scrap load inside one of the cars. It does add significant weight to the car, and that is one thing I think he said they were working on. And that's a look at Otter Valley's new Scrap Gondola, the 6,000 cubic foot version in HO scale. It's available from Otter Valley Railroad. Check them out. Link below in the description with their website address. And that's what's in the box today. Thanks for watching.